Hey guys, welcome to Game Nations today. So today I'll be showing you guys how to play PS3 games on your PC using the Ps3 emulator, which is the Rpcs3. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into it. So go ahead and click on the link. It's going to take you to the Rpcs3 website, which is this. Go ahead and just click on download. I'm going to do that, and it's going to start downloading in a few seconds. Alright guys, so it's going to tell you download. Go ahead and just start downloading. Alright guys, so once you're done with the download, next thing you want to do is go to the next link, which is below the link description. It will take you to this website where you have to download the Ps3 firmware. So once you get to this website, this is how it's going to be like. All you have to do is scroll down till you get to this place where it says update using the computer. Just go ahead and click on it, and go ahead and click on download Ps3 update. So we're going to do that as well. We're going to download the Ps3 update for the Ps3 emulator. So as it says, final downloading, potential security bits. Go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and click allow download, and it will start downloading. Alright guys, so we are done downloading that as well. So next thing we want to do is go ahead to wherever we have our Ps3 emulator downloaded and the firmware. So alright, so that's Windows and E. Go to download, go to compressed, and you can see we have the Rpcs3 here. Go ahead and extract that. So go ahead and show more, and click on extract 7-zip, and to extract to Ps3. So go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you're done with that, you're going to see the file here, which is this. You can delete this as well, so go ahead and delete this if you want. So next thing we have is this file. Go ahead and open it, and open the Ps3. Open that as well. So you can see it created some new files, and that is it. So it's going to tell you this. Just go ahead and click I have read the quick start guide. Click on continue, but click on do not show again. So go and click on continue. Alright, so once you're done with this, you have the emulator, but you can't use this if you don't have the firmware installed. So go to file, go to install firmware, and go to wherever you have your firmware downloaded. Your firmware should be at downloads. Just here, you can see your firmware here, but mine is not here. So this is where I need to find my firmware wherever so I think I have it somewhere here, which is this. This is my firmware, which is the Ps3 update.pop. So I'm going to click on that and just open. So yours might not be here, but if you want to know where yours is, go to download. Just click on download, Windows E, or go to download, and you'll see your firmware there. So this is where I have my firmware. So I'm going to click on open. So this says successfully installed Ps3 firmware. Do not show again. So click on that and click on OK. Next thing we want to do is go to configure. Okay, so it's going to show us compiling PPU modules because of the firmware. So we have to wait for this to be over. Alright guys, so once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on config, and this should be it. Everything should be set like this. I would have let you guys enable this, but I wouldn't like put this on, so I'm going to leave this. Go ahead and click on your GPU. Most of us will be using Vulkan for this. I think the Vulkan works well with the Ps3 emulator, so go ahead and click on Vulkan and use your graphics card. Your graphics card needs to be a very strong one, so I'm going to be using the GTX 1070 for this. Aspect ratio can be on 16:19. Firmware, put this on 60 FPS. That's a must. And for this, you can leave this at 100%, but I'm going to use 150 because I want to play it on 1080p. Scale resolution can be on 1 as well, but I'm going to do that on 512, 512. Depends on the game. So I'm going to do that for 512, 512, 510, 510 is okay. So that, go ahead and click on VSync, so you couldn't have any stuttering and stuff like that. That's okay. Right color buffer, if you want that, I'm going to use that. No, so I think that's okay for now. Without doing any other thing, I think we're done with that. Next thing we want to do is click on apply, and let's say advanced. If we have anything to do in advanced, I don't think so. So everything's set, and yeah, we're good to go. So that's it. Just go ahead and click on apply and save. Alright guys, so once you're done with that, next thing you want to do is go ahead and configure our pads. Go ahead and click on the pads, and you're going to have the keyboard here. Go ahead and click on that. So this means if you want to use the Ps3 DualShock, that's allowed. If you want to use the PS4, that's still allowed. DualSense, same input. This is for the Xbox 360, so I'm going to be using this. The good thing about this emulator is everything sets automatically, means the whole pad has been configured on its own. But in case you want to do any extra thing on the pad, go ahead and do that. So we're going to remap any keys that you want. So you can do that for the triangle. Click on it and press the triangle if you want. but I don't want that because everything has been set already and this is how I want it. So go ahead and just click on save. So once you're done with that, next thing you want to do is bring our game to the emulator, and to do this is very simple. Go ahead and click on file, go ahead and click on add games, go to wherever you have your games downloaded. So I have mine at download, compress, as soon as wrapped. That's what I'll be using. So go ahead and click the select folder, and you can see the game is there already. So these are the playable games. So in case you want to know the games that are compatible, I'll leave a list for the compatible games below. Go ahead and check it out. So these are the games we'll be using. So I'm going to open the as wrapped so as you can see. So just let it do its thing. It's going to load all this compiler. Once it's done, the game will start, and this is just for one. This is just for the first time you're running the game. And once you're done with that, go ahead and just start the game. Click on X, and you can see installing as wrapped. Do not so go ahead and click on X as well. Alright guys, so that's how to install Ps3 Emulator for PC. So go ahead and just make sure to do everything I did on this game, and you're gonna have it playing. Next video I'm gonna show you guys how to play this as well as at 60 FPS. I'm gonna do some settings for this, so in case you want to watch that, I'll leave a link for that as well below in the description. And that's all you have to do for this video, guys. So thank you guys for coming to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on the post notification, and see you guys on the next video.